Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Wednesday. Gonna fire up the cast iron pan. I'm gonna do some lunch. Then I'm gonna eat and then go to work because, you know, why not? So I'm gonna be doing a fried onion burger, which I know some of you are gonna say, well, Mark, you don't like onions, and that's true. So I got these. I don't mind these crispy onions because these are deep fried, and they're, so they're fried, and frying stuff just seems to make them better and not suck. So normally you would make this burger with just really thin sliced fresh onion. So if you like onions, do it that way, but I'm going to be doing it this way because, like I said, not a big fan of onions. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so I'm going to go over ingredients real quick, kind of playing around with some camera angles. So I got dill pickles, hamburger buns, American cheese, 90-10% ground beef, the crispy onions, which I showed you, and just comes with mustard. So pretty simple ingredients. Alright, while I wait for the cast iron to heat up, I'm going to dope the bun, which basically just means prep it. Hamburger bun, mustard, alright, grab yourself a ball of meat, form yourself a nice round ball. A little bit of salt. And you smash it. Alright, let's do the flip. Nice. This is a regional burger from Oklahoma that I got the recipe idea from a gentleman here on YouTube called George Motes. He's a burger historian. I talked about him before. But burger just sounded good, man. I love a good burger. I might get a little bit too much meat, but we'll just have to make do. All right. Piece of American cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle on some of these crispy onions. If you can find these, they're really good. For onions, they're really good. I'm gonna go ahead and call it because it looks done to me. I don't mind if my meat's a little bit red. Oh yeah. Get the bun on top. All right. Here we go. Oh, so recording. So I'm going to make 2 of these. By the way, smashing it when it's raw doesn't push out all the juices. It's only when it's cooked that you do that. And I forgot to mention, I had a little bit of bacon salt, so I went with just a little less salt. Let's see, bacon salt. Let's eat. Now, I'll tell you what, obviously clean plate, but that really hit the spot. Delicious. Check the description for just any links I can think of to put it down there. Oh yeah, there's a playlist for cast iron cooking and also the Chevette channel. Appreciate you watching. Catch you in the next one.